Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elena Mosaner, and today's session is designed to help you release anxiety in just 5 minutes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Now, gently shift your focus inward and notice where the anxiety is located in your body. Where exactly do you feel it? Is it in your chest, neck, stomach, or somewhere else? Become fully aware of its sensation. Does it feel tight, dull, prickly, or heavy? Is there any temperature to it? No need to resist or fight it in any way. Simply observe it as though you're watching it from the outside, almost like an artist studying their imagination before painting it on canvas. Be curious and describe the feeling to yourself. No need to get swept up in the sensation. Just observe from a detached and creative perspective. Now, shift your attention to your mind. Are there thoughts accompanying this anxiety, perhaps frustration, disbelief, or annoyance? Or maybe there's nothing, and that's okay too. Observe whatever is there. If your mind is racing, notice what the thoughts are about, as if also watching them on the screen. Whatever arises, simply notice it. Your mind is a producer of thoughts. Again, just observe, calmly and without judgment. Then slowly, gently, allow it all to fade away. Let this moment of quiet and stillness settle over you. Simply stay here for a few moments of silent awareness. Let's now bring our focus to the breath. Breathe in for 5 seconds. Let's take 5 breaths together. Breathe in and exhale now. Breathe in again, calm and steady, and exhale fully. Continue at your own pace, allowing your body to settle and soften with each breath. Yes, just like that, already feeling so much better. Now, silently or out loud, repeat these affirmations to yourself right after me. I am calm and relaxed. I am at ease. I am fully present in this moment. I am anchored and grounded. I am calm now. Feel these affirmations sinking deeply into your mind and body, reinforcing your sense of peace and presence. Now, open your eyes and look around. Notice your surroundings, whether it's the screen, the device in front of you, the walls. Observe the colors, textures, and details. See everything as though you are noticing it for the very first time. You are here, calm, fully anchored in this moment. Thank you for joining me today. You've taken a powerful step toward releasing anxiety and reclaiming calm. My name is Elena, and this is HypnoCloud. For more transformative sessions, visit us at hypnocloud.com.